Garlic water for weight loss. Garlic is a popular herb used worldwide as a flavoring agent in food. However, when consumed correctly, it has several health benefits. These include weight loss. Garlic water is a simple and easy way to incorporate this herb into your daily diet. This video will discuss the most important things to consider when making garlic water and its benefits for you. Ingredients: you need garlic, 1 or 2 cups of water. Then instructions: peel and crush your cloves using a garlic press or a knife. Crack your garlic. Boil 1 to 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Once the water is boiling, add the crushed garlic cloves to the water. Let the garlic simmer in the water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the saucepan from heat and allow the mixture to cool. Strain the garlic water using a sieve or cheesecloth. Pour the garlic water into a glass and consume it before breakfast. You can add honey or lemon juice to improve the taste of the garlic water. It is recommended to consume garlic water daily for the best results. However, if you experience any adverse effect, stop drinking this garlic water and consult your healthcare professional. Garlic water in hot water can also help relieve symptoms of cold and other respiratory infections. Garlic in hot water can help stimulate the immune system, reduce inflammation, and then improve circulation. Garlic water in hot water can also help relieve symptoms of cold and other respiratory infections, as has been said earlier. Try one today for the best results. Thanks for watching.